I can't say much about the finishing quality on its hardware. What's up people, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be chatting about the Armin Strom Tribute 1 SHH Limited Edition. Back in 1967, Mr. Armin Strom first set up shop in his native town of Bergedorf, Switzerland. Known as the gateway to the Emmental, Bergedorf is best known for its castle, which with its positioning on the hill can be seen from a distance. What's also best known in Bergedorf, with a caveat that this applies to the watch community, is Mr. Armin Strom, who grew to become a legend in the art of hand skeletonizing wristwatches, which ultimately earned him a Guinness Book of Record in 1990 for producing the world's smallest hand skeletonized watch. In 2006, the brand was then sold to two of his acquaintances, Sergei Michel and Claude Geisler. In 2009, the German-Swiss brand moved to a new factory in the city of Bezel, and the rest was history. Fast forward to November 2023, Armin Strom Tribute a limited series of 12 pieces only of this watch, the Armin Strom Tribute 1 SHH edition. Of course, if you like to check out this piece, you will have to go to the only place that has it. While this may not be a skeletonized watch, it is still a masterpiece. The watch is measured at 38mm in diameter, 9.38mm in thickness and 44.35mm from lug to lug. The stainless steel case here is not your usual round case design. A quick glance of it, you would think that it is a simple, boring, straight down brush finish case. That's where you're wrong. The side profile of this watch shows a brush finish case and lugs with polished finish on the bevel on the lugs. The case, however, is not entirely a cylindrical shape. Whilst it's measured 38mm in diameter, the case actually tapers down like a trapezoid to just above 37mm, giving it a smaller mass in contact with the wrist. The thin polished bezel sitting on the case has a small convex protruding out at the 6 o'clock position. Between the 18mm lug width here is a grey Alcantara strap with white stitching on the outer side with grey stitching in the center. The back of the strap also has grey stitching on the leather. Tapering down to 16mm is a stainless steel folding clasp with Armin Strom's logo engraved on it. If you like independent watches or find this video helpful, please kindly support the channel by hitting that like, subscribe and bell icon, and I'll promise to make more videos like this and ensure that we all get to see a real life mermaid in this lifetime. Thank you. The big open sapphire crystal with AR coated case back here showcases only 1/3 of the movement. What? The caliber AMW21 is a manufacturer hand-wound movement. I said AMW, not ANW.
This is America's Most Wanted.
Anyway, the 135 components movement has a flat hairspring with a variable inertial balance wheel to ensure accuracy and reliability in its timekeeping. Yes, this little pebble here packs a whopping 100 hours of power reserve, which is impressive. This manifesto is flaunt all over the dial on the hand-polished motor barrel that sits at the 5 o'clock position. The barrel is distinguished by an arbor that turns around the mainspring within the barrel itself, making it more efficient while also conserving space. Whilst the rest of the dial is covered with brushed metal, the highlight of the dial is that gorgeous salmon dial with tremblage finishing, where the burin is applied to multiple directions to achieve this sandy or rocky look. It also has the Armin Strom logo applied on it. To be honest, the dial kinda reminds me of The Thing. You know, The Thing? The polished skeletonized hour and minute hands are not lume, and neither are their indices, which is only a railway track minute ring. The second hand is also polished. The pull-out engraved crown sits at the 2 o'clock position, making the watch feels even more compact. My thoughts? I think this is perhaps one of the most elegant watches in Armin Strom's collection because of its simplistic yet sophisticated mechanical outlook that is all packed in such a compact size. This, in my humble opinion, is probably also the most gorgeous tribute one. Not because I'm a sucker for salmon dial, which I am of course.
Stop it. Get some help.
Neither is it because it is a tribute to SHH or that it is limited to only 12 pieces, but because of that salmon thing. That salmon tremblage unmarked indices-less dial, which gives it an unobstructed parallel looking dial, notwithstanding the obtrusive motor barrel covering the 4, 5 and 6 o'clock position. I really like how the German-Swiss brand design language is being translated into this modern compact piece, a very clean and lean machine. Not only is it easy for my 16cm circumference wrist, it is definitely a low profile but high value piece. I can't say much about the finishing quality on its hardware, not because it's bad, but because this piece doesn't really showcase its polishing skills. However, I will say that Armin Strom's strong suit is in the technological know-how and caliber engineering. So, is this the next FP Journe? There is definitely potential to it. But what do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Until the next one, thank you for watching.